Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about that is synonyms for the examinations of SSC, CDS, Air Force, Army, Navy examination purpose. So let us see exactly what the part 3 has been given. Initially we have recuperate, that is one who is recovering health after illness is recuperate or recovery. Next we have rejuvenate, to make young again. We knew that by doing the yoga it will be rejuvenation of our body which helps you in making more healthy. Resuscitate, that is to bring a person back to consciousness is resuscitate. So this is one thing we have to remember, that this resuscitate is very important to the person to bring back to the consciousness. Respite or repose. A pause of rest is respite, which is essential for the human. During the afternoon, he has to take a small break for the small respite or repose, that is very essential for longer work. Rafter, a beam supporting the roof of a house is a rafter. Ruminant, a cud chewing animal. As you can see, whatever the grass is intaken by the animal, that is a cud chewing animal. Is example is cow is a ruminant. Renegade, a person who leaves one group or religion is a renegade. Renounce, give up a high position of authority or control is a renounce. So in this case, he give up the high position of authority or control. Raffle, a way of making money for a charity by selling tickets. This type of raffle will find in various places where the money be made and the tickets will be sold. With the help of that tickets, the money will be given for the charity. Superfluous, that is beyond what is needed, is a superfluous. Stoic means one who is indifferent to pleasure or pain, that is one who feels no pain at all. He is stoic personality. He has no sympathy over something. Next we have scapegoat, a person who is blamed or punished for the mistakes of others is a scapegoat. He will be as a in the median, he will be rubbed. It means a person who is blamed or punished for the mistake of others. Stub, a short remaining end of a cigarette. As you can see, for the pencil as well as cigarette, you will have the small stub. Swagger, walk in proud and confident manner. As you can see how exactly that swagger looks like. He is fully confident regarding his movements as well as his acts. He is known as swagger. Soliloquy, speaking one's thoughts aloud to oneself. This is one thing one must have, this type of mentality. He has to speak himself, that is one must speak aloudly to oneself during the alone time, that he has to decide whatever he wants to do. Even I supposed to practice the same soliloquy procedure. Septic, a person who is unwilling to believe is a septic. Next we have sedative. This is one thing, a medicine or drug having a soothing or calming effect is a sedative. This will be given during the time of any kind of pain or any kind of mental distress. Serendipity, accidental good fortune is one type of serendipity. Psychopath, a person who prizes powerful people in order to get their approval is a psychopath. Sanctimonious, trying to appear full of holiness or goodness is a sanctimonious. He is trying to appear full of holiness or goodness. Samaritan, one who helps others is a Samaritan. As you can see how exactly he help others in the time of need. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join. There is a Telegram application there. You can directly type Defense ICTA. You can join in that. You can have the more PDF files and 800 plus question papers for various examinations. Even you can have a look of whatever the PDF have been given, whatever the questions have been given. Next we have sojourn. A short stay at a place is a sojourn. Swam, a great number of insects or other small creatures moving together. As we can see, recently we had seen the great locust attack which was happened in our India also. That is one type of swarm. Solecism, a mistake in speech or writing, is a solecism. Scurrilous, insulting or abusive writing in journals, that is a scurrilous. As you can see, that is insulting or abusive writing in journals. Salvage, to save from loss or destruction in a fire, is a salvage. So in this case, what happens is to save from the loss or destruction in a fire. Next we have saboteur. A person who damages things is a saboteur. Stoker, a person who put coal into furnace of a boiler. As we knew that previously, we should throw that coal into the furnace for the movement of the train which runs on the steam. That is, he is the guy, that stoker is the guy who puts the coal into the furnace. Snob, one who despises persons of lower social position, is a snob. So he directly hurt or despises persons of lower social position, that is snob. Shuttle, as you can see, a transport service which operates constantly backwards and forwards between two places. These are the two places where you will find this type of shuttle services in the hospitals or any kind of local communities. This type of shuttle services be provided. Tremor, a shaking movement of the ground. These type of tremors you will find during the time of or previous to the earthquake. Next we have tavern, an inn or public house, that is a tavern. Tenant, a person who pays rent to another, is a tenant. That we should remember that we should be amicable towards tenants, with which we can have the long relationship between the tenant and the owner. Tycoon, a rich and powerful businessman, is a tycoon. Truism, a true statement is known as a true statement, that is truism. Turncoat, one who easily gives up his party without principles, is a turncoat. As you can see, the guy who is sitting to the right with the gun, he is the sincere guy, but he is the opposite guy. He cheats and he kills otherwise. So this is a turncoat. Testimonial, a written statement about one's character, is a testimonial, which is very important. Here we have tankard, a large drinking mug of metal, that is glass, that is known as tankard. Totalitarianism, that is a system of government in which only one political party is allowed to function, is totalitarianism. That is one thing. So in this, what happens? One system of government in which only one political party is allowed to function. Tantrum, a fit of extreme rage, is a tantrum. Testament, a written statement, especially of what ones want to be done with one's personal property after one's death. As you can see how exactly this type of last will and testament be given from the ancestors to the next person. Travelogue, a film, article, talk, etc. about travels. That is travelogue. We should remember that this film article talking only about the travels only. Usher, a person who shows people to their seats in the theater. As you can see how he helps the persons to sit in their respective places. Usurer, one who lends money at a very high, it's not lands, who lends, L-E-N-D-S, one who lends money at a very high interest. He gives the money to the other people in the interest rate. Upheaval, a great change or disturbances, is a upheaval. Utopia, an imaginary country that has perfect social and political system, is utopia. Next we have vagabond, a person having no settled home. He has no settled home. He is a vagabond. Venerable, worthy of great respect because of age or for special goodness, is a venerable. Souvenir, something which remains one of a place, person or occasion, is a souvenir. Vulnerable, liable to be hurt or damaged, is a vulnerable activity. As you can see, is liable to be hurt or damaged. What verbatim, is a word for word is a verbatim. Valetudinarian, that is one who always thinks himself to be ill. This is one thing which you have to remember is valetude. Please go through whatever the pronunciation. I am very sorry with this. Few words, it happens to each and everyone. So go through this, whatever has been given. So vulnerable, liable to be hurt or damaged. As you can see how exactly he is walking on the rope, and there is a shark you can find down below. Now we have the wreath. We knew that after the death of any great soldier or brave soldier, a wreath laying ceremony be carried out. Wreath means circular garland of flowers or leaves is a wreath. Wary, that is cautious or on one's guard, that is wary. Whimsical, one who has sudden desire or change of mind is a whimsical type of nature. Wriggle, move along with quick, short twisting is a wriggle. Next we have ochlophobia, irrational fear of crowds is a ochlophobia. Yashmark, a veil worn by Muslim women by covering from top to bottom. As you can see that parda is a ashmark, that cloth, whatever the cloth she wore from top to bottom. Yuppie, a young ambitious professional person who earns a lot of money and spends on fashionable things is a yuppie. So he is a young ambitious professional person who earns a lot of money and spends on fashionable things. Zymology, study of enzymes is a zymology. Just, as you can see, zeal or interest is a just. Zoophilist, a lover of animals, that zoo means animals. So zoophilist is a lover of animal. So as you can see how exactly the study of enzymes, the science of fermentation is known as zymology. So this is happens with the enzymes, how exactly that study is. Next we have, if you want a PDF of GK and GS of 2100, you can directly call me on 7666 730 252. So this is one thing, near about 30 videos have been prepared for various purposes. So I hope this will help you a lot if you go through my playlist. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.